everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we are going to be learning how to stop autoplaying videos in Safari using your iPhone. Before getting started, let me tell you that Safari on iPhone or iPad does not have a direct setting to stop all autoplaying videos. However, you can reduce distractions by opening up the Settings app, and inside Settings, scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Under Accessibility, click on Motion. Toggle on the Reduce Motion button right next to it, and then once you do that, this will not block all videos, but it can stop some autoplay previews and background animations. So that is how you can stop autoplaying videos in Safari using your iPhone or iPad. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.